Well, at a time when inflation is at all-time high and gas is hitting absolutely record numbers, Uber has decided to cut rates for their drivers. We're gonna get into the news today. Please thumbs up the video to help spread this so people and drivers are aware of the atrocities that's going on behind closed doors. We're gonna get into it, so don't miss out on this one. Now, before I get started, I wanna thank our sponsor, Solo. Solo is the sponsor for today. They are a business app for gig workers, and as you can see, they are providing workers with guaranteed pay. They are actually paying out drivers tons of money through these guaranteed pay feature options. They have free versions, they have monthly subscription versions, but when you sign up for a free app right now and link your account, they're gonna send you $15 just for getting started. They're a brand new company. Harry Campbell from the Rideshare Guy is an investor and an advisor. Shout out to him, but check out the link below for Work Solo. The guaranteed pay feature is in these areas only, so if you're in those, you can get access to that right now, but they are rolling it out to other cities soon, so you can sign up, and it actually does help if you sign up in a different area because they can then get access to those, more data there, and take home $5,000 extra more a year than the average driver by signing up for Solo, and it is a tax deduction, the Solo subscription. So anyways, check out Solo with our link down below to get your $15 when you link your Venmo or PayPal and your driver account. So it's super easy, and yeah, let's get started. So Uber has officially got rid of the gas fuel surcharge for delivery rides, for delivery drivers. So anytime you're doing Uber or you're doing Uber Eats, and I know most drivers, when they go out and do rides, they're also doing delivery times, like during lunchtime when it's super slow or in between rides, you are no longer getting that gas fuel surcharge on your delivery rides. Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi and the Uber team have decided, well, drivers don't need that money anymore because, probably they're gonna go out and drive anyway. I'm pretty sure they're probably doing testing and realizing that drivers, they're gonna go out and do the rides regardless of whether or not that gas fuel surcharge is there. So, we don't know. What we do know for the rides is that Uber has extended it indefinitely, which aka means they're gonna probably end it soon. And gas prices have gone down like 10 cents, and Joe Biden's like, hip hip hooray! You have me to think that gas prices have gone down now to only $6.49 a gallon. I'm the best president ever. Yeah, guys, I don't know. Joe Biden, inflation, all this stuff's getting crazy. And honestly, a lot of delivery or a lot of passengers are leaving false reports, getting drivers deactivated because they just want to sit on their lazy butts all day and get free food. They're like, oh, I'll order $40 worth of food and I'll just click 1 star and deactivate the driver, and hopefully I'll get a free meal out of it for me and all my buddies. And listen to this. Uber drivers Reddit says, is anyone still getting quests? I haven't seen one in weeks. All I've gotten is the multipliers. And people on Reddit, my friends, Uber drivers are going online and saying, I'm not getting any more requests. Their quests are down, which if you do know anything about Uber, that means that when you go out and they want to get you to do 50, 60, 70 rides, that means they're paying you an extra bonus, right? Like an extra 30 bucks to do 50 rides. It like comes out to like barely $1 extra per ride. Uber's getting rid of that. Carries say, you guys get quests, you guys get multipliers. In New Jersey, they're low, $10 for 20 rides. Mine is 20 rides for 35 bucks. I mean, this is atrocious. After 4.5 years of getting none in Milwaukee, I've had them nonstop for the past 3 weeks. Too bad I do this very part-time. Also too bad Lyft's quests were actually better. They still have them in Denver, amounts very significant. Nope, we are in 2 weeks with no quests here in Atlanta. Took 2 months off, they're starting to come back most recently. Started getting worse and worse, even though I'm not driving. I still do okay with my little run, but not bonuses or tips, I'll take some time off. I think multipliers are for Eats. They might have switched you. Fudge. Did they say something like that? Thanks. Did we switch accounts? Not in months. Well, 6 years and not a single quest. So drivers are reporting that quests are no longer even available to them in many markets. So comment down below. Are you getting quests? And have you noticed that your rates have been going down? And make sure you check when you're doing your Uber rides and your Uber Eats rides. Are you getting those gas fuel surcharge? Because they're gone for Uber Eats, and I don't know, we'll see when they end for Uber, but yeah, Doordash has ended it as well for their drivers. So yeah, guys, it's getting crazy out there, but thank our sponsor Solo for oh yeah, and crazy, car payments are now $700 a month, the average car monthly payment. That's crazy. But yeah, check out Solo with the link down below. You can sign up, and they're gonna send you $15 just for signing up and linking your account. and typing in your Venmo or your PayPal, and you'll get that. They send it out every Tuesday, so if you haven't gotten it yet, that's why. But yeah, look at this. This is just an example. From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. do DoorDash. They're gonna guarantee you make 27 bucks, 9 to 10, Uber 23, 10 to 11, $37 guaranteed. And look at this pay guarantee. You guys gotta check this out. Look how cool this is. If you sign up to do 11 a.m. for 1 hour, 38 bucks for doing DoorDash, 37 for Instacart. I mean, this is an absolute game changer. And it's no surprise that the average driver who uses Solo takes home $5,000 more per year. So sign up with the link down below. They even help out with federal tax projections, so you might know how much you might owe, so you're never left in the dark. Automated mileage tracking, they take care of everything for you. So sign up for Solo, link down below, and let me know, has Uber ended your rates, your quests, your gas fuel surcharge? Absolutely horrendous, my friends. Talk to you soon. Bye now.